Hello there. So now is the time to do the most interesting part of this particular project, that is doing bookmarking along with the button features of Power BI. So let's jump straight through this. So we have added this blank space up here where we will be adding our buttons here. So for this you need to have the latest version of Power BI installed. So if you have the latest version of Power BI installed, you will be seeing this particular feature called buttons up here. What I want you to do here is just add some buttons here. So you can have different variety of blank buttons here, left arrow, right, reset, and many more. For our experiment we will be just adding blank button up here. So we have 3 pages in our report, so I will be adding 3 buttons. So just simply I will be copying and pasting 2 more and 1 more. There you go. So now we have 3 buttons up here for each particular page. So first and the most important part here is to create a bookmark of our pages. So how to do that? Simply I have to go to view and check the bookmark pane. Now you can see the bookmark pane up here. So first what I want to do is, this my first page up here, I want to bookmark this particular tab here. All I have to do is click on add, and I'll just rename this one as page 1. There we go. So first bookmark is created. Second bookmark will be of this particular second page. So now I am on the page 2. I will be clicking on page 2 here. So I will be clicking on page 3, and then I will click on add. Simply rename this one. So this stuff has been done. Page 1, page 2, page 3 are 3 bookmarks have been created. As you can see, when I click on them, I can simply jump to the that particular page. So that part has been done. I can now just close this part here. Now come the fun part, where that is to give these buttons their proper role, what they need to do. So before doing anything further, what I want them is, I just want to just copy all these 3 buttons in the other pages as well. So I will be doing that after all of my work with these buttons has been done. For now, let's just do the formatting part. So this first button is for page 1, that is for my social media analysis. So I will be checking this on. There are tons of features up here for these particular buttons up here. So let me show you how this works. I will be giving this name as social network analysis. There you go. I will be making it like this. So now you can see I can change the icons, but for our particular experiment this will work. I can change the icon anything like I want, like left, right, any kind of arrows. I just don't want to fill my particular button up here, but if you want, you can just simply click on it and make it something like maybe this or any other color you want. I will be making it blank as of now. What I want for this here is that when I hover over or select it, then it should be filled. So I click on selected here, then I will fill it using this gray color. So when I click here, you can see the gray color has been seen there, just like that. So that's what I want. Now the important part up here is, what action should this first button should do. So I'll turn on this, and I want it to link with a bookmark. So which bookmark? My page 1 bookmark. So now this button will take me to page 1. So now when you will hover over this, you can see it will show control plus click. So in Power BI desktop, you have to use control and then click on this particular button to jump to that particular page. In Power BI web, you can directly go through this by simply left clicking on that particular button. Now for the second button, I want here is to link with my second page. So I will give this as device analysis or something like that. I mean, anything you can write up here. And my action will be to link this with my page 2. There you go. Simple stuff, as you can see. Third one will be my, what you can say this as block pages analysis. There you go. And I want it to be filled with the same formatting properties, and quickly I will be linking it to page 3. So this is done now. So let me show you how good it works. So I am on page 1, that is social media. Now when I'll click control and click on device analysis, it will take me to page 2. There you go. And now when I'll click on page, I want click on block page analysis, it will take me to page 3, which is my third page of the report. All right. So now the thing here is, this is only available in my first page. So what I want them is, I will simply, you with the help of control, I will be selecting all three of them. I will be copying them, and I will be pasting them here in my page 2 as well. Simple. Again pasting them in my page 3 as well, so I can navigate with the help of them in any of the pages I want. So now I'm on page 3. I want to go to page 1. I'll click on that, and now I am on page 1. I want to go to page 2. My bookmark or my buttons will take me to page 2 or page 3. So you can add as many buttons as you want here. That's why we have used this kind of formatting. It looks kind of cool, like buttons are here at the left pane and my report on the right. You can use this format. I will be providing this particular Power BI report for you to download. And so this is how this particular project works. So the next particular video will show you the final formatted Power BI report. So this particular report is not been formatted. I will be showing the final formatted report in the next particular video, but the main important stuff has been done, which is bookmarking. So you can see it's pretty easy and very useful for navigating between the tabs up here. So that's how you can add bookmarking feature in your Power BI report. Thank you for staying with me up to this point. I hope you are enjoying the videos, you have enjoyed all the learning so far. And if you do really have learned, I simply want you to just provide your valuable feedback and reviews in the review pane. Just give your precious review for this tutorial. And if you have anything any kind of doubt for this feature or any other problem, I am really looking forward and encouraging you to ask me in the QA section, and I will be really very glad to help you in the best possible way as I can. So that was all about this project. So we will be meeting in the next particular video with the final formatted report. So keep on learning and keep working. Thank you.